My name is Amit Upadhyay and I am from Royal Sundaram General Insurance Company Limited. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to IMA and Hospital Board of India for inviting me to. So I would like to share my views on cost economics balance for the insurer. So like for the insurer perspective, I would like to share my views. And before I shall take you through the cost economics balance, first we need to understand what is the cost economics concept is. So probably it's a very, it's not a very interesting topic to be, speak. And if I shall put it simple, cost economics means the value which you give up when you choose one economic activity over the another best economic activity. We can understand by this in an example like for an insurance company which is not having a volume or a scale of the business, it does not make a sense to form an in-house TPA because there is a lot of efforts, cost and competency is required to form an in-house TPA. When I can use the ready-made setup of a external TPA, which does not make sense for me to invest a lot of money. It may make sense for the insurance company which are having the larger volume. So in-house TPA concept is very good for them. So ideally for an insurance company which is having a less volume, it is good to invest 3 or 4% of the premium which we can give to external TPA. Secondly, we can also think like how we can make the balance, because see claim servicing part is which it is the actual things which customer experience, because this is the only thing which the customer buys a policy from the insurance company, and claim servicing is the part where the actual services is delivered. So it is the actual experience which customer receive from the insurance company. So I cannot ideally make the compromise when I choose the our service provider like the TPAs and all. Shall I? Or because I thought that you are. Yeah, sure. And we can also have an example of ICR. It is incurred claim ratios and all. So to form a balance, I cannot be the over 100% of my ICR should not be more than 100%. So because I'll be paying the claims from the stakeholders' money and all. So I want to remain in a range where I can survive in the industry and offer the good services to the customers. Also, I cannot compromise on the quality of the services also. Similarly, if you talk about me, I can it is like a concept where I cannot just start an activity where I think that the feasibility of that activity is not available. So as an insurer, I need to think that if I start an activity, that should be the feasible and that should be economically viable to the insurance companies. So this is from my end. So I will not take much of your time. So if you have any queries and doubt. Sure. Thank you.